So I find the world of AI right now to be so noisy. There are a gazillion different apps. They all cost $20 a month at a minimum. And oftentimes it's very confusing about what you really need because no one app really does the same thing as another app. And they've all got various differentiators and they fit into businesses a different way. So most of the times what you almost have to do is kind of understand what you actually really need to accomplish. It's very simple. Like in that context, you have to just think back and go, okay, what is the outcome that I need to get from this? But what is the data that I have to start with? And most of the times, AI will not work unless you really understand your baseline data that you have to put into AI. If you don't have data, AI is not going to work, right? So that's where the infrastructure piece comes in, right? Because with infrastructure, you start to assemble the basic data points to be able to make strategic decisions. And one of those strategic decisions is what AI tools do I need to become more efficient? But you can't really just go and put AI in if you kind of don't have the baseline data to support it, right? Because AI doesn't work without data feeding it. So I think to me, in many ways, it should and can be very simple. Like, it shouldn't be so overwhelming. It may be, let's just use the CRM that we have, and let's use the AI that might be integrated in the CRM, or some other smaller aspect into that, just to start in a small way, right? And I think sometimes it just often becomes very overwhelming that you think you have to go and get 10 different AI apps and spend $300, $400 a month, but it not really get you anywhere because you're not really using it the way it's intended, or you just don't have the data to feed it.